Is it this or is it that? Ooh. You want to know my opinion? Well, you definitely want to stay tuned because this video is about jewelry, and you know how much I love jewelry. And if you're a jewelry fan, this is a video that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux. Well, I would talk about luxury goods and items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips and advice that I've learned along the way to share with you. All right, so today's video is a request. It's actually in regards to lock bracelets. So you know, recently, or maybe you don't know, but I do own the lock bracelet. The first lock bracelet I got was in white gold. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite jewelry pieces, especially favorite jewelry purchases that I've made. My new recent lock bracelet, which is the ROSÉ Lock Bracelet. So this is a collaboration with Blackpink's Rosé and Tiffany, where they came together and created this beautiful Tiffany Lock Rosé Edition collection. And I actually picked up the Tiffany Lock bracelet. So it comes in a rose gold bracelet with beautiful pink sapphires. We're gonna get into that comparison today. Now, I mean, for a comparison of the same thing but different colors. So I have both bracelets here, my white gold one and then the rose gold one. And the white gold has diamonds on it and the rose gold has pink sapphires on it. And since I have this one kind of out the box, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. Now I have a full review on this bracelet, so if you ever want to see the full review, definitely check out the video that I've done. Go to my channel, it's there, and it's on the limited Rosé collection Tiffany Lock bracelet. Go check out that video, it's on my channel, and I go into more depth about, you know, the style, what it looks like, all that good stuff. All right, so here is the bracelet. And an update, if you have watched the previous video, I did go ahead and get a different bracelet because the first bracelet was beautiful, but some of the stones that were in the bracelet looked a little bit lifeless and dull just to me. I couldn't really show it too much on the screen because it's more of like on the naked eye you can see it. And they definitely kindly at Tiffany Co, you know, switched out the bracelet and gave me one where the stones all looked beautiful, shimmery, and all that stuff. So I think that was very lovely that they were able to do that for me. And of course, within the time period that you have for, you know, replacements, exchange, returns. Yes, that was resolved. And this is the rose gold. Now for me, I'm not a big rose gold person, or at least I don't own a lot of rose gold items. So currently I have, I think, 2 rings that I've purchased that are rose gold, and then now this bracelet. So I'm definitely trying to expand my rose gold collection. But the thing is, you know, with rose gold, it can really be a little tricky because not everyone or not every company does rose gold the same. Some have more of a pinker hue. That's the only thing about buying rose gold pieces and then buying them from different companies. I really love this bracelet. I love that it has the pink sapphires. Only thing, if I could change one thing, would be to have maybe lighter pink stones. It has more of like a rich, more like almost a ruby red, but it's still pink, or fuchsia color or tone to these sapphire stones. Now if it was more like a lighter pink, like a soft baby pink or pinky lilac, any kind of like just a lighter pink than this hue, I think I would definitely have grabbed it sooner. Even though I guess I grabbed it when it released. So yes, if it was a lighter pinker stone, I mean, that would go perfect because I do have some pink pieces that I could pair with this. And then when I try to pair like jewelry with it is kind of difficult for me. Again, I don't have a lot of rose gold in my collection, and I don't have a lot of pink sapphire stones or rings or necklaces in my collection. So this kind of gives you a little bit of an excuse, you know, if I'm gonna have this bracelet, don't you want me to get the best wear out of it? And to get the best wear means to get matching accessories and all that stuff. So that's just my girl math, you know. If I'm gonna buy this, that means I have to buy more so I can wear this, right? No, I'm just joking. But yes, I love this bracelet. Now let's get out the white gold bracelet. Again, this is the white gold, and it has diamonds, and it kind of has diamonds in the same area as the rose gold one. So let me see if I can zoom that in a little bit. So yes, white gold with diamonds, and then the rose gold with the pink sapphires. Now, would I wear this together? Probably not, only because for me, I don't like to mix my metals. But yes, they're very beautiful. They look, you know, really similar, but I guess only, again, the thing is different is the tone of gold. This is rose gold. Now, I wonder if you can really see how this is rose gold compared to, if not, I'll try to put it on the screen of like the rose gold bracelet and then just a regular white gold bracelet, so you can kind of see the difference. And again, I said a lot of companies do their rose gold will have more of a deeper pink hue or a light pink hue. I think that's good to be mindful if you definitely want to pick up rose gold jewelry and get it from, again, different boutiques, different jewelers, just different companies in general. If I had to choose between the two, honestly, or at least make it for my first purchase, it would hands down be this, because again, this would go, or this does go with a lot of jewelry pieces that I already own, whether it's silver, white gold, platinum. This goes with a lot. So I feel like I can wear it more often. Even though I've been wearing this, I just don't feel like I have a complete set, because I feel like, okay, when I wear this, I might throw on some like yellow gold tone earrings, but other than that, I don't have a lot of jewelry that complements the rose gold or even like this shade of pink sapphires. But for this, I definitely have, whether it's Swarovski crystals or just regular crystals or diamonds, I have something that would pair well, from earrings to necklaces to other bracelets, that can make a stack. I think I would actually make a stack of these two if they had the same color stones. So if this was, because they have a rose gold bracelet like this and it has diamonds up here, so if this was like the one that came with diamonds, I definitely probably would try to stack it, see if that, you know, something that I would enjoy to do. Again, I don't mix my metals, but that might be something that I would just give a try just to see what it's like. Yes, hands down, I would go, if I had to choose, I would have to go with this white gold with the Pavé on the outside as my first choice. And then, you know, maybe this would be like my second choice or third choice, because I have been eyeing the lock bracelet in the gold, or yellow gold, I should say. So I've been thinking about that. I was like, oh, maybe I should have got the one with the yellow gold, because I have a lot more yellow gold jewelry that I can pair it with. Hopefully I was able to show a side-by-side view, because they said they wanted to see a side-by-side view of the bracelets together. And they wanted to know kind of my thoughts on if I would purchase this or purchase this. I like them both. I would purchase both, but if I had to, again, they're not cheap. So if I had to purchase one first, it would definitely be the white gold. Now, if you're definitely a rose gold fan, a pink fan, a Blackpink fan. So just that culmination of all those three things, I think you would love it, because you have your pink stones, you have your rose gold, you love Blackpink, so you know it's, you know, designed or in partnership or collaboration with Rosé from Blackpink. So it would just be like hitting all the boxes. Like, yes, love the shade, love the stones, love that this was collaborated by one of my favorite artists. Yeah, all that good stuff. I could see this being someone's first purchase just for that. But yes, I love it. I love the pink stones. Again, I just wish it was like a shade lighter, like really, because it looks like more like a, I don't know if you've ever seen like a ruby red grapefruit, where it's like, it is pink, but it has like that rich, darker hue in the middle of the grapefruit. That's what it kind of reminds me of. It's still beautiful. And I feel like when you're out in the sun and it catches the light, you definitely see just a little bit more of that nice pink shade in the sapphires. Whenever you wear any of these like outside or it catches the light, you know, it definitely draws attention. I mean, I love this bracelet. I love this bracelet. There's never a reason why I can't just throw this on, because I'm a person who will throw on jewelry, and this will make it onto my wrist. And yes, I would highly recommend the lock bracelets to anyone if they're just wondering, like, since you've had it for a while, do you like it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love the lock bracelets. Well, all right, that's the end of this video. Now, since you made it to the end, I'm just gonna ask you guys to do just a small favor, which is like this video. That means hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Be part of this community of, you know, lovers of luxury, of lovers of unboxing, lovers of jewelry, lovers of comparison videos, lovers of wanting to just get more information before pulling the trigger, before making a big purchase or big ticketed item when it comes to luxury. If you're one of those people in those categories, or just like to watch videos just in general, then definitely subscribe to the channel, and you can hit the notification bell because I do drop a video every week. Also, you can follow me on socials. I am on TikTok as well as Instagram, Simply Fabulux. You can follow me there. Now, if you really want the tea, the channel here, this is where you subscribe. This is where you get all the information, all right? Thank you for watching. If you have more questions about, you know, the lock bracelet that maybe I didn't touch on, or you're interested in seeing the other videos, because I have done the unboxing for not only the rose gold lock bracelet, but also the white gold lock bracelet, definitely go to the channel and you'll see those videos there. Thank you so much for being a subscriber or just watching and becoming a subscriber. Become part of the Fab Fam. It's free, no cost to you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.